for tasty, inviting, delicious, above all juicy and perfect grilled chicken, you have to go nowhere than to come to Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. This was absolutely delicious, and today I decided to share the recipe with you. Trust me, you will fall in love with it, and it was very easy to put together as well. Without wasting much of your time, we will get to today's activity. I have with me here my chicken. I'd have added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion. I've added my salt, all-purpose seasoning, and I've added my natural herbs and spice blend as well. I'll just go ahead and then give this a stir, and then we proceed. My name is Lena, and welcome once again. If today is the first time here, please do want to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Okay, my returning ones, thank you for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. Okay, so I am so grateful. I'll go ahead and give this a stir and make sure they absorb all the natural herbs and spice and everything in there, so that we can get that tasty chicken we are looking for. Now, when you see there, I added some meat to it as well. Okay, I am doing my own thing, but focus on the chicken. Okay, that is just by the way. Now we are going to leave this on fire for it to cook very well, and then we can proceed. After some few minutes, this is how it looks, and our chicken looks very delicious already. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. I'll be very grateful if you like the video, share to others, and then let me see your comments in the comment section. Do you know what, when grilling chicken, okay, you can as well grill it without cooking. So I have so many ways I prepare my chicken on this channel. Kindly go through the videos, and then please learn other way that you can grill your chicken without this method. Okay, now the chicken is ready, so I will remove everything from the pot and allow the stock to strain very well from it, or drain, so that I can proceed with whatever thing I want to do. With the stock left, you can use it for your jollof, your stew, your fried rice, anything, and you can use it for your soups as well. So this is what we have here, and I'm just going to allow it to be there, and I'll get back to you soon. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. When grilling your chicken, you can use your wet or the dry marinade. Okay, but in this video we are going to use the dry marinade. So I have the chicken here, and as you can see, it was not very well cooked. Yes, I did it intentionally. Now the dry ingredients I used here was pepper, ginger, garlic. I added some onions. I added my parsley, natural herbs and spice blend, all-purpose seasoning, and also my salt. After that, I added my oil to it, and that is what I've poured on the meat. When you are adding the salt to it, be very careful, because already the chicken tastes good. Okay, do not add anything plenty to it so that it will become salty. Now what I've just added is my my soya spice. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure I smear that on the chicken, and then we can proceed. Trust me, anytime that I want to grill chicken, I don't do it this way. I usually go straight to the point by adding all the marinade to the fresh chicken without cooking or steaming it. But when I did it this way, oh my goodness, It was so nice. Yes, it was very delicious. Now I will repeat the same thing so I am done with everything, and when I'm done, I will get back to you. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning till now. I'm so grateful, and please do want to follow us on all social media platforms. If you want short videos that are less than a minute or a minute duration but very detailed recipes, trust me, follow us on all social media platforms including YouTube Shorts, and trust me, you will never regret. There are some people that want the video in short form, so follow us there as well. Okay, now I am done with everything and I've arranged that on my fish rack, so we are just going to put this in the oven. The oven is preheating at 350 Fahrenheit, and we are waiting for it to preheat for 10 minutes before we put this in the oven. When it is ready, it depends on you, okay, how you want it. If you want it very dry, when it's ready you will know. If you want it very soft or juicy, you will know. So just study it, or make sure you keep an eye on it. You check on it at least maybe every 20 minutes. By 20 minutes it should be ready. If you put it in the air fryer, by 10 minutes it should be ready. Yes, so after some few minutes our chicken is ready, but I used the oven, and just look at that, very juicy, delicious, and I have never eaten chicken before, but I feel like chewing more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.